Hey guys, I just want to show you what not to do if you're going to do a basement development. You're going to put a kitchen or a suite in your basement. This is against the electrical code, and it's just a really bad design. It's a bad idea. It's not safe. So behind this door here is an electrical panel. So pretty crazy. When they designed this kitchen, they actually put the sink basically right in front. They've got cabinets blocking access, so the electrical panel should have access in all directions. So it actually should have about 2.5 feet clearance on each side, 3 feet deep, and then about 6.5 feet clearance for height. So you can see access is very limited here. You've got electricity, and you've got water right next to it. So it's just a bad combination. It's not safe, and it's against the electrical code.